Banana boat ride, yung pinakamagaling mag-cheer. Okay.
Ito yung prize natin ngayon, mga iba pa yung nandirito. Banana boat ang prize ngayon, kaya pakininig naman ng yan ng Team Kambing na narigaw! Ay, biglang nag-lower, ma'am. Galing. Pasado ba yun, ma'am? Konti pa. Konti pa hina. Isa pa, ma'am?
Energy!
1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Next, we have Pusang Nanganak. Sige. 1, 2, 3, go! Cover! Yan! Sapa! Sapa! Wala pa sa lower, ma'am. Sapa, 1, 2, 3, go! Ayun, ang dami nilang anak. Dami ng anak. Okay, next. We have Aso
Mabait.
Mabait. Ready, set, go! Hey! Hey, time up!
Ayos ah.
Hey!
Eh, giling!
One more! 1, 2, 3, go!
Kending pa.
And next we have, last but not the least, the Tigre Matapang!
1, 2, 3, 4. Nagiging matapang.
Ay! Ay! Naging wild! Nagpaka-wild sila doon! Isa pa! 1, 2, 3, go!
Nagiging matapang. Nagiging matapang. Nagiging matapang.
Alright, thank you very much, ma'am. Ikaw na mamili mamaya. Mamaya, okay. Now, for our individual award, let's start with the Innovator Award. So who do you think is the winner of the Innovator Award? So this certificate is awarded to Innovator Award is awarded to Sir Jerome Sampan. And go po dito sa harap, Sir Jerome. So the Innovation Award is recognition of outstanding contribution and innovative ideas to the team during the Juan Manuel Builders and Construction Corporation Team Building 2026 held on April 18, 2026 at CBG Mountain View Farm and Resort, Kapampangan, Zambales. Ayan, thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, Sir Jerome. Congratulations for being the innovator of the team building 2026. Now, we have our next individual. Yes, may cash prize po lahat ng award. And this award was also picked and approved by the heads po. Ayan. Next, we have the most improved.
Sir!
Ito, nakalimutan.
Sir!
Hindi pa bukas na lang. Yan. Next, we have the most improved team member. It is a recognition for showing a great improvement to the team building during the Juan Manuel Builders and Construction Corporation Team Building 2026 held on April 18, 2025. And the most improved team member is Jose Puno Duterte. Come here po dito, Sir Puno. Jose Puno Duterte.
Ayos!
Ayan. Ayan. Next, we have the certificate for the Circle of Joy in the recognition for inspiring and displaying positive attitude to the team during the Juan Manuel Builders and Construction Team Building 2026. And our Circle of Joy is Ma'am Rodeline Namo. Yes! Ay, kasi namin siya na talagang i-invite niya yung team niya to join kanina during the volleyball and the tug of war. Kaya siya ang napili po namin as the most Circle of Joy.
Isa-isa.
And for our next certificate is individual award is the achievement for Border Patrol. So the Border Patrol recognition for your outstanding performance and service in the protecting your team during the team building. And for the Border Patrol goes to Rafi Sugitan. Mr. Rafi, ayun. And congratulations, Sir Rafi. Hello. Our next award is Certificate of Recognition for Unsung Hero, proudly presented to Miss Marielle Moore. Our unsung hero is in recognition of your unwavering dedication, quiet strength, and the selfless contribution that often go unnoticed yet make a lasting impact on our team building for your Juan Manuel Builders and Contractors. Team building, ayan. So, siya po yung napili kasi hindi siya masyado na-notice, but then she have the presence, na-ready siya lagi sa any team building activities natin. Okay, for our next award is the Best Yell Award. Di ba dalawa kayo kanina? But then, yung dalawang yon is for 50 points kanina. But then, pinapili natin ang mga heads kung sino ang pinaka-best na yell. So this is for the outstanding energy, creative, and team spirit demonstrated through the powerful and engaging yell during the Team Building 2026. So for our best yell goes to Team Aso! Team Aso, punta dito sa taas para sa yell pa taas, yell pa akyat, yell pa akyat. Asong mabait, asong mabait, asong mabait. Kulang sa energy, parang babawiin ko ata. Sige. Taas pa, taas pa. Sige po, sige po. Pakita niyo kung bakit kayo ang yell.
1, 2, 3, go! Asong mabait, asong mabait, asong mabait, asong mabait.
This is decided and awarded by the heads naman po. Ayan. Sige naman picture po. Ayan, thank you very much, Team Aso, and our next certificate. Okay, next award is the Achievement for the Collaboration Award. So this recognition is for the outstanding performance and exceptional teamwork during the Juan Manuel Construction Team Building. So our Collaboration Award goes to Team Tiger! Ayan, nakatingin ka na, sir. Halika na dito. Ayan, dito sa Collaboration Award, sila talaga
Yung yell, yung yell.
for that team. Lagi silang sama-sama. Oo. Pero syempre, pag akyat nila, kailangan din nilang i-yell. Diba? I-yell nila yan. Gusto ko may gagapang na kasi nasa stage na eh. Gagapang yan. Tino mo, 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, gagapang, sabi ko eh. Sige po, ma'am.
Compress pa, compress.
Team Tiger. And our next award is also individual award, which is the best leader. In this recognition of exceptional leadership and commitment to the team building during the Juan Manuel Team Building 2026. So our best leader goes to, sino kaya? Sir Jason Topora! Ayan, Team Tiger, akyat na po ulit, Sir Jason. Thank you very much for that team leading ng iyong Team Tiger. Ayan. Okay, eto naman yung next two awards natin na gusto namin rarampa. Gaganon, ramba-ramba yan mamaya. Okay, for our next award is our Miss Team Building 2026. So in this recognition for her invaluable contribution as Miss Team Building during the Juan Manuel Buildings Team Building 2026. So our Miss Team Building is Miss Connie Tan. Nasaan si Miss Connie Tan? Yes. Ma'am, rampa ka. Rampa. Gusto yung rarampa. Sino ka ba ng ma'am rarampa? Rampa! Ayan, tola po mantin mo mo. Rampa! Ayun!
Ayun, oh.
Ayan! Ayan! Mami-stay ka lang dito, ma'am. Mami-stay ka lang dito. Ayan, kasi kung may miss, meron din tayong Mr. Team Building 2026 is also an invaluable contribution as Mr. Team Building during the Juan Manuel Team Building 2026 goes to Mr. Nicanor de la Cruz.
Attention please for one more.
Oo nga, yung damit po. Nakita kasi ng mga ating mga boss, yung kanilang jersey, di ba? Sobrang pongpol. Di ba?
Sana.
Mapunin daw yung kanyang jersey. Di ba napakasit pagdating same sila ng jersey. Tapos apelyedo pa ng isa't isa. Pangalan. Grabe nga yun. Sana all na lang, ma'am. Ayan. Mamaya, ma'am. Gagawa natin yan. Ayan. Sige, sir. Solo po muna with ma'am. Ayan. Next naman po, dalawa kayo. Holding hands, tapos nakatalikod.
Okay, talikod.
Holding hands po, holding hands.
Your attention please for one more time.
Kaya, kaya. Kaya mo siya. Iharap.
Sweet, sweet sugar cola.
Okay.
When I took a sip from
Yes! Tapos paano, sir, next naman po yung nakaganon ka, ma'am, kay ma'am mo. Nakaganon. Nakaganon ka po, pero nakatalikod. Yan! Kahit wala na po yung certificate po, kahit wala na yung certificate.
Kahit tanggalin na
Ganito
yan.
na lang yung certificate nyo. Itawan nyo, akin na po yan. That's heart. Heart nakaganon, no? Yes! Ayun, tinuruan ni sir. Yeah! Alright, thank you very much po, sir and ma'am. Congratulations for being the team. Opo, ayan, thank you po. Ay, sige po, picture with ma'am po, dalawa. Sige po.
When I took a sip from her lips, she sent me on a trip. She keeps me up at night. Because she tastes like
Okay, next is our team building placement na po ng bawat teams. So our third placer with an average score of 100 points, 20 for Yell Battle, 20 for Giant Volleyball, 40 for Dragon Tail, and Sea Bucket is 20. Total of 100 points goes to Pusang Nanganak! Ayan, Pusang Nanganak, akit po tayo dito. Sige po, akit po tayo dito ng Pusang Nanganak.